What's the meaning of camouflage? Camouflage. Camouflage.
Camouflage. Camouflage. Camouflage refers to the use of colors, patterns, and materials to blend in with one's surroundings and make oneself less visible or noticeable. The purpose of camouflage is often to avoid detection by enemies or predators, or to conceal oneself during hunting or military operations. The result of effective camouflage is that the person or object blends seamlessly into the environment, making it difficult for others to detect their presence with the naked eye. Camouflage can be achieved through a variety of methods, including natural patterns and colors, artificial materials, and digital technologies.